Thanks, Arn, and let's give a round of applause to all of our presenters today. You guys were amazing. So we're going to close out the session so that you can get to your dinner appointments exactly at 5:30. That's very important, as we know. But we did promise you it was going to be interactive, so I thought, that we hopefully have done a good job of that. Let's just go to the closing. Okay, so I hope this afternoon you've had a chance to open your eyes a little wider about the issues that come with ethics. You know, ethics is really, like we have said, awareness and conversation. It's not meant to be punitive in any way, because people come from very different backgrounds. We have very different value systems. And Karen has already said there are some universal truths, but they're a minority. So a lot of it is discussion and things that we have to put on the table for understanding each other, because we want to build systems that are catered for their stakeholders. Okay, so some call to actions that you can consider. You can reinforce our ethics review community. So there's the Scribe document link, which was the right-hand side one. So I'll just show you. There is a place where you can add your name to say, okay, I've learned a little bit more about ethics. I feel a little bit more comfortable becoming an ethics reviewer, because we think ethics reviewing is very, very important. We tend not to put as much information on that. So I'll let Margot and then Aurelie go first.
The timekeeper, right? Yes. I just want to disclose something. As you're aware that if you submit a paper, you are forced to also review. Ethics reviewing counts as well. It was just
5 minutes. Okay, yeah. So we're almost there. Okay. If you have additional publications that you're aware of, there is a nice ethics reading list, which is on GitHub. It's not very updated, unfortunately, but you can help us keep it updated. Okay, so it is organized in such a way, I won't go over it now because it'll take a while to put up. But again, please add the publications that you or your group members or others that you're aware of have done, so that we can keep this list updated. It's a community effort done by our ethics committee and all of you. Okay. Finally, we know that things are missing. I mean, there is so much information about ethics that are out there in different places, and our ethics committee is committed to making sure it's structured well and accessible. And part of that outreach is why we have organized this session, which you are thankfully participating in today. So if you can go to that Scribe document, you can also add information there. Cesar, I think, was in the room earlier. She also shared with us a resource that I'll just make public here. There is an online reviewing course created by herself and Carolyn Rose at CMU that will help people understand what it is to do ethics reviews. So it's a mini course. It is something that you can use as well. So again, all of the output from this tutorial is meant to be shared. So those of us who are in a teaching capacity or mentoring capacity, all of the abstracts, the slides, or everything we have released specifically to make it easier for you to help other people become more aware of the issues in this area. Okay, and I'll turn it over to Aurelie for the last part.
Yes, well, this is going to be very brief. It's just an announcement for the Bird of a Feather session that will take place during Wednesday lunch from 12:30 to 2 o'clock. And so what we'd like to talk about in this Bird of a Feather session is ethics in NLP reading list. So Min already has shown the list that we currently have, and we'd like to share this research that can be of interest to the community. It's a section in different topics. For example, there are tags for publication talking about resources, bias, environmental impact of NLP, etc. So one of the things we want to talk about is how to collectively update this reading list and collectively discuss the work that is being done around the topic of ethics in NLP. And so to also make the session more friendly, we also started this shared document so that people who want to participate can introduce themselves just with their name, affiliation, and their topics of interest. And that could also list some topics of interest to you for a discussion to make the session more personalized to those who are going to attend it. And so I'll close here by saying that we hope to see you on Wednesday at lunchtime. Thank you.